Hi, I'm Nazura. I'm responsible for the first floor technical department and the second floor management department. For the first floor, there are 4 wired PCs connected to a switch. All devices are assigned IP addresses from the 192.168.8.64/26 network. The first usable IP address is used as the default gateway, and the DNS server is set to 111.11.33.2. For the second floor, there are 6 wired PCs and 6 wireless devices connected through a switch and access point. All devices can communicate successfully, which I will demonstrate using ping. I will now demonstrate connectivity by pinging between devices to verify that the network is functioning correctly. The ping results show successful communication with 0 packet loss, confirming that the devices are properly connected and configured.
Hello, my name is Ira Najiha. For this project, I am responsible for the sales and networking floor configuration. I will explain the devices used, the connection, and the testing results. This is the third floor server farm. All servers on this floor are connected to the access switch. Each server is connected to the switch using copper straight-through cables through fast Ethernet ports. The switch is then connected to router 1, which acts as the default gateway for this floor. Router 1 provides gateway access for the server farm. Each server is configured with a static IP address within the 192.194.8.64/26 network. Next, I will demonstrate a connectivity test for the server farm. The successful reply shows that the server can communicate with the router. This confirms communication between servers within the same network. All servers are connected through the access switch. This completes the server farm configuration and connectivity test. This is the fourth floor sales and marketing department. These departments consist of 5 notebooks and 5 wireless PCs, an access point, and a switch. The wireless network is configured using the access point. This is the SSIDs, and the security mode is WPA2 The access point is connected to the switch using a copper straight-through cable. Each wireless device is configured with a static IP address with the same subnet using router 1 as the default gateway. The laptop is successfully connected to the wireless network. This completes the configuration for the sales and marketing department. Next, I will demonstrate the connectivity test using the ping command. The successful replies indicate that the wireless devices can communicate with the server through the network. This also confirms connectivity to the default gateway. This concludes the sales and marketing department configuration and connectivity testing.
Hi, I'm Nisha Sivkumar. Now I'm going to explain about my branch 1 cooling network. We're going to test whether the network is working or not. First, let's look at PCA1 and PCA4. Let's look whether this is working or not. PCA1 IP address is this, and PCA4 IP address is this. Now we are going to ping PCA4 from PCA1. And we got the reply, which means the network is working. Now let's look at PCA3 and PCA2. PCA2 IP address is 10.0.1.3. Meanwhile, for PCA3 address is 10.0.1.4. So let's ping A3 from A2. We got the reply, which means the network is working, is successful. Now let's look at this wireless laptop's connection. Laptop K1 is IP address of K1 is 10.0.0.1.10. Meanwhile, laptop K5 is 10.0.0.1.14. So let's ping laptop K1 from laptop K5. 10.0.1.10. We got the reply, which means the network is successful. Let's ping laptop K3, which is the IP address is 10.0.1.12, and let's ping laptop K5 from K3. So it will be ping 10.0.1.14. We got the reply, which means the network is successful. So in conclusion, this network is successful.
Hello, my name is Nuradini from S1G2. So today I will be presenting the branch 2 Skudai here. So first I need to set up here the network with router, switch and also access point. We straight up go to the router and then we go to the CLI, and we need to do a bit of configuration here to allow the interface to happen. And then as you can see here, I need to configure terminal and then use the interface, the port that you use, and then enter the IP address and then exit, and then we need to set up the IP for DHCP pool, and then the network here, default router here. I make a mistake, there should be a minus here, and then this is the correct one. And then the DNS server as stated in the question is 111.11.33 and .2. And then server ping is 10.0.0.1. Okay, we have settled in the router. So after the router, we go to the access point. For the access point, we go to config port 1. In config port 1, in SSID, you need to change it. I change it to skudai.wi-fi, so it's easier to know your network here. And then from the disable for authentication, you need to change to the WPA2 minus BSK and then put a password here. I choose Skudai at 2026. And then to connect all the laptop here, you need to go to the laptop. Okay, go to the laptop and then go to the PC wireless. Go PC wireless, you go to connect. Connect here, your network name will come out, which is Skudai Wi-Fi. You press Skudai Wi-Fi, you press connect, and then you enter the password here. So I've done that. Before that, you also need, for the physical, you need to turn this one off and then change this one, put it here, and then use this. Okay, it's the same one, but in case there is another laptop. All right, we have finished here. You need to repeat that for 10 times for all the laptops. And then to verify it, okay, let's verify it, whether it's connected or not. First, we go to the desktop and then command prompt and then ping. Our IP address is 10.0.0.1 and then we wait for the reply. Okay, so you can see here that we get the reply from the server. Okay, then this is for the laptop. If you want to check on the PC, go to PC, IP configuration, and then from static, you need to change to DHCP. So it will be requesting IP address, DHCP request is successful. You should get whatever you enter in the router, which is 10.0.0.1 and 111.11.33.2. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.